If your Google Chrome pages always feel too small or too large, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the default zoom settings in Chrome so every website opens at the size that feels right for you. This is a super simple adjustment, but it can make browsing much easier, especially if you want text and images to appear bigger without constantly zooming in on every page. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access all your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. Chrome will open a new Settings tab, and from here you can control different parts of your browser, including appearance, search, privacy, and more. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and how web pages are displayed, so this is exactly where we need to be for the zoom adjustment. Now scroll down until you find the Page Zoom option. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it, and this is where you can choose the default zoom level for websites. Click the drop-down and choose the zoom level that works best for you. Chrome usually gives you several options, like 90%, 100%, 110%, 125%, and 150%. If you want websites to look larger and easier to read, selecting 125% is a great choice. If you want everything to stay closer to the standard view, 100% is the normal default. And if you prefer more content fitting on the screen at once, you can lower it to 90%. Once you make your selection, the setting is applied right away. There is no need to save anything manually. Chrome will now use that zoom level as the default for websites going forward. To test it, open a new tab or visit any website and check how the page looks. You should notice that the content now appears at your chosen zoom level automatically. If it doesn't look quite right, just go back to Appearance and adjust the page zoom again until it feels comfortable. That's all there is to it. You've now changed the default zoom settings in Google Chrome, which can make browsing much more comfortable and much easier to read. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.